Hello office executives, I'm back again with another Excel set video, so problem set scenario, and in this problem set scenario I'll be discussing over the topic. Then here in the search box in F2 I'll be providing some name, and if the name is present in this particular data set, then that will be highlighted. So how can we achieve it? Let me assure you that I am doing it in Excel 2016, but this will work in Excel 2007 as well. At later version of Excel we are having in the developer tab a new feature, insert search box. I'm not using that particular feature. I'll be using some simple Excel formulas, search formulas, and search along with AND formula to just achieve this, to overcome this problem set scenario. So what I'll be doing is that I need to guide Excel that in which dataset we are working upon. We are working on this particular dataset in which we will be working upon. This is the dataset. So conditional formatting. So I'll be having a new rule. So use a formula. I'll be using a formula. What is the formula? So I'll be using the function search function. So search will be based on whatever value we will be providing in this particular cell, comma, and this is search by name. So what column I am giving the name, fitting the names into? I am fitting the names into B column. So it will be B1. Now let me make a small bit of change. So B1, if it is not found in B1, then B2, B3, B4, so B will be locked as well. Okay, so here let me just clear out this one, and this will be $B1. So B will be fixed. If it is not found in B1, then it would move to B2, B3, B4, and if this particular value is being found, then what will happen? Some formatting would be applied. So what is the format? I'll be going with a simple background color of simple fill color of green maybe, and in the font section I'll be using the something like bold italic, and let me select the color as well. So color will be maybe a red, so that it is most prominent and distinguishable. So color, that is okay, the formula is okay, and then hit OK. So in this probably the whatever we have achieved in this, the search F2, in the F2 section, F2 is the value which I am providing in this particular F2. This is the name. In here I will be providing the name which will be searched in a Excel dataset range. So I am selecting the dataset range, and over the dataset range I am, from the conditional formatting, I am applying new formula and using the function user formula to determine what is the formula. It is search F2 and B1. So why $B1? Because the B column would be fixed, but if it is not found in 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and so on, it would move all the way across to the downward section of the row. Then hit OK. Now there will be a particular problem in this one, that is, if the value is, even if the cell is empty, whole of the conditional formatting is being applied. So but if we are providing a value, so maybe Shom Prakash, enter. So Som Prakash, we are having a duplicate record as well. So in this particular problem scenario, we just achieve two of the tasks. That is, if the record whichever we are providing in the search by name, if there is a duplicate record that is being present, that will be highlighted as well. But the problem is, whenever the cell is blank, even though the whole of the dataset is being highlighted. So how to overcome it? So I will be using an AND function. So I'll be selecting this range of cell over which I have applied the our problems, over which I have applied the formatting. So I'll be going to the conditional formatting, and then I already have applied any rule, so I'll be going to the manage rule, and whatever rule we have applied, I'll be editing that particular rule, edit rule. So use the formula. So what was the formula? Now I will be using an AND function. So if it is AND will be true if both of the AND will be true if there are multiple conditions. So if search is this one, so search is this one, then it is highlighted. But if the search is left blank, that is, if this particular cell, if it is not equal to blank, only then the formatting will be applied. So that's it. So let me again say that AND is working upon two of the conditions, that is search, it will be searching that value. But if that search, that is, if F2 is left not equal to blank, if not equal to blank, only then the search function will work. So this is the AND function. Let's hit OK, and then apply. If you can just go on with the OK also, instead of clicking on the apply. So none of the cells are now being highlighted. But if I provide a name, so let me zoom out the screen. So if I Anirban Jha, Anirban Jha. So if I am providing a name, so it's still not highlighting. Okay, Anirban Jha. Sorry, it's not Anirban Jha, it's Anirban Ojha. So Anirban OJH, Anirban Ojha. Here it is. So let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and before ending the video I will again like to assure you that I have working on in Excel 2016. So file, options, and then from not options, my bad, it will be file, account. Here it is, I am using Office Professional 2016, but if you are working on Excel 2007, this would work as well. And in this particular version, in the later version of Excel from 2010 and 16 onward, there is a particular option. You need to just bring in this developer tab, and in the developer tab there is a particular option as insert a search box, and from the search box you can apply the same thing. But I am just taking into consideration for the older versions of Excel in which there was no in the developer section there was nothing such as insert search box. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.